Turkey is still struggling with bad weather in April 2023. Most recently, another devastating storm brought hailstorms and horrific flash floods to the city of Adana in Turkey. Several amateur videos circulating on social media showing the flood flowing swiftly, hitting resident vehicles, even washing away hundreds of furniture and damaging local facilities. Heavy flooding caused many roads in the central areas of Ceyhan and Çukurova to be flooded. Drivers struggled to use their cars on waterlogged roads, some of them stuck in the traffic. The local government was forced to close several roads because it was not possible for many vehicles or local residents to pass through. Another video posted by a local resident showed a hailstorm hitting the town and vehicles partially submerged in snow. Videos from other motorists show that the floodwaters have an impact on residents' vehicles parked around the main road. The mayor of Adana said the city experienced sudden and unexpected downpours, so the floods quickly swept away and everything in the vicinity. It is not yet known whether residents were physically affected by incident or not, but it is certain that local residents suffered enormous losses as a result of the incident. This is the umpteenth time that Turkey has been hit by several floods. Previously, several flash floods also hit the Sanliurfa area several times and caused severe damage a few months ago.